What's up, y'all? I got everything I need for this next video. Got me a rock star. Yeah. You know that pop star type crap, man. You love to listen to that man who belches. Yeah, well, this is the next level. So I got me a piece of pizza. Don't want to eat any of that high fructose corn shiz. You know what I mean? I got this ice. Ice. Yeah. Yeah, I love that stuff. Woo! Soggy pizza. It's really good. Little Caesars. Little Caesars, yeah. Wow. I cut my hand last video on the can. Oh yeah, my hand's not gonna get hurt from ripped up tinfoil. Stupid me, man. I freaking cut my hand open, almost ripped it in half. Ripped it open, dude. Any more pressure on that can, I would have been done for, dude. Bleeding everywhere. The video would have been done. It's like, okay, just stay calm. Any deeper, man, you are gonna bleed to death. Sever that nerve in your leg. Yeah. So you want to compete with me, huh? You're gonna have to drink some sparkling water. Can you do dry burps? Let's have a dry burp contest. Doesn't matter, man. I'm doing this for fun. Louder than a plane? Some people are louder than a plane, dude. Oh, I forgot what his name was, but he was louder than a plane. His belch. Anyway. These workouts I've been doing really do help out with everything. Did I eat those? Do not eat the fructose corn syrup. And those that like those drinks, fructose, guys. Yeah, you heard me. Those that like those mercury-filled drinks, fructose, guys. Hi, fructose, guys. What are you saying, Spencer? You're swearing. Think of the kids, man. I don't swear. Yeah. Woohoo! Guess what else I got? Sparkling water, K. Roger. Yeah. And original K. Roger seltzer water. Disgusting. Yeah. And I'll smack out your lemonade. Yeah.
Smack out your lemonade.
Okay. So, what else do you want from me, huh? You want my website? It's in the description. Website's in the description. It will be eventually. It's actually don't go to the website. Go to the forum. If you want to talk, go to the forum. My friends are there. Other friends are there. I'm going to be building a community in there, but I'll let you guys talk about things, post things. So you can, when I got the website up, I'll let you guys know. It'll be up soon. You can go to the forum. You can talk about anything you want me to make.
Make a video. Yeah.
Wake me up again. Oh, I did a karaoke video, changing the lyrics a little bit. It's a clean version of that song. This song's ridiculous, man. Some of the songs by Nirvana is ridiculous. It's like I'm changing the lyrics. Anyway, you ruined the song, man. You ruined the song. You can't even sing, can you? Then sing. Sing on pitch. Practice. Are you scared people judge you? Because you don't want to sing on tune and be joyful, dude? Yeah, that's what it is. It's joy. There's nothing wrong with it. Anyway, be joyful, man. That's what I'm trying to say. God wants us to be joyful. Yeah, Jesus is not a heartless person, man. He died for us. And I really do believe that none of this was made to brainwash. There is only those that have changed things to wash you up. You got to do your research. Just do your research. You'll find God, as Kurt Cobain said. But when you find out that spirits are real, do not mess with that realm. They attach to you. They will attach to you and try to, anyway, make you a person that you're not. You don't believe that? Anyway, you better pray. Pray for God's Spirit to be with you.
Because spirits are roaming around.
Spirits are roaming around. Going around. They're free. They didn't learn what they were supposed to be learning and didn't do what they were supposed to be doing. Being addicted to heroin, cigarettes, all that other crap, bums that are addicted on the street. Man, they have to pray and get closer to God to change their lives. It's the only way. It's not there to brainwash anybody. I don't know why people think it's a brainwash. Oh, you've been brainwashed. Oh. It's all a lie. Dude. One thing I gotta say is God is not a lie. He is not a lie. He is alive, and he's doing well. He made everything, dude. He really did. And the more we learn about science, I think the closer we get to how everything is made, how we're made, how our minds work. We're figuring out how to use our abilities better, read faster, work out. There's only one way to open up your pineal gland, and that's to eat right, eat veggies.
No crap. Okay.
No crap, okay? And this is not a way to
Make a speech.
but if I were to get in front of a lot of people, I wouldn't be burping, dude. That would be crazy. But hey, I'll say what I gotta say. Yeah, man, they want us calcified. They want our mind calcified. They want to have us drink the bad water, drink sugar. Cancer eats on and feeds on sugar. Just so you know, look it up. And that's why I get these sparkling waters instead of the sugar-filled crap. High fructose corn syrup.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. So, but I could go on and on and on about things. People are getting killed, like people in Disney. Yeah, there's evil guys trafficking your kids underground. Are you kidding me, dude? That's what they should do to themselves. Kill themselves, dude. That's sick bastards. Anyway. Don't get complacent, man. Spread the truth. Don't get complacent and sit around all day watching TV and getting fat. Do something that will make you live longer, like exercise, lift weights. Think about the children that are starving in other countries. Are you going to donate to help them? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And there's many foundations that do that. One day I will have a foundation that helps people. So, anyhow, there's only one way to make a burping video. Oh, yeah. For example, Tom Hanks. He got killed. He's dead. He's a child molesting fucking sick bitch. It just angers me what's going on in the world, and we got to do something. You got to do something, dude. It's like, excuse my language. I swear I'm not perfect. I don't swear, yeah. But the thing is, they're getting away with it, dude. For too long, they have. For too long. They need to be shot to death or tortured or, you know what I mean? They need to be tortured, hung, whatever. Someone kill them. Kill them all, dude. Sick. Sick BASTARDs, man. Just makes me angry. Anyway. Not anyway. Just know that it's a lot of BS is in Disney. You're watching BS. when Robin Williams left the cartoon that he was voice acting on in that video, that movie called Doubtfire, Miss Doubtfire. See, they were obviously evil, smoking cigarettes and doing whatever, teaching kids to smoke cigarettes. No, but anyway, he left the room because that's teaching a kid to pick up a cigarette and smoke it. Dude, that's no. Anyway, I'm not saying that Disney had anything to do with that, but that is the way they are. They're sick people. Disney is evil for putting little stupid crap, sexual symbols in and whatnot. Dude, it's not cool. Anyway, just realize that there is evil, and they are going to shut down. They might shut us down.
Together!
They might shut us all down, all the power and everything, so that they cannot communicate with anybody to find these people. There's only one way to get the evil people. They're not just, dude, just watch. The truth will be revealed. Whatever it may be the former president. They're saying all kinds of things, man, about people. Tom Hanks died. He's not a good man. He's not. And Bill Gates is an evil person too. His technology changes your DNA. Look it up. Anyway, just want to say that y'all are blessed and protected. The ones that are doing good. And all y'all are doing good. I know y'all are good. If you're watching me, you're doing good. So anyway, as I was saying,
As I was saying again, it'll be lemonade.
wow, yeah, woo! Oh, hey, yeah, I'm gonna be making a website. I already made it, but it's not done yet. So you're gonna have to wait. Just wait a little longer, and everything will be fine. Everything will be better. You'll get what you want. Okay? Information. You know what I do and what I know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, whatever you do, I'll smack out your lemonade, dude.